Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you solar rooftop calculator, which will tell you the installation cost and the cost that you can save from by installing these things. So you come to the site solarrooftop.gov.in and you will find a rooftop calculator. From here you can choose any one of the following: total rooftop area, or if you want you can put the solar panel capacity, or you can put in your budget. So let me pull total rooftop area here, and I am saying there is 500 square feet area that is there, and out of this percentage of rooftop area that is available, let me say 80% is available. Now I have to select a state and customer category. I'm saying it's Kerala, and the customer category is residential. So what is the average electricity cost? So I'm saying electricity cost in Kerala. So it's around 6 point or around 7, right? 7 units. So I'm going to put 7 rupees per unit. Now I will say calculate. Now it will tell me all the costs. So feasible plant size as per your rooftop area is around 3.7 kilowatt. So cost of the plant MNRE current benchmark cost is around 42,020 rupees per kilowatt. So without subsidy, it will be around 1,55,474. With subsidy up to 3 kilowatt, you'll get a subsidy of 40%. It comes around 99,167 without GST. Okay. So total annual electricity generation from solar plant will be around 5,550 kilowatt hours. So lifetime it could generate, say for example 25 years, it could generate about 1,30,750 kilowatt hours. So in terms of financial savings, monthly at the tariff of around 7 per kilowatt hour, increase is assumed in over like 25 years. Monthly 3,238, annually 30,850, lifetime around 9,71,1250. So carbon dioxide emissions that is mitigated is around 114 tons. This installation will be equivalent to planting 182 take trees over the lifetime. So this is a calculation that you get here. Now coming down, EMI calculation. So 1,55,474 is the cost of the solar plant. Now subsidy comes around 40% for up to 3 kilowatt. So subsidy amount is around 56,307 rupees per kilowatt. So you're taking a loan of around 99,167. So the rate of interest is around 8.45%. And the loan period you have put in around, let's say, 5 years. So for loan amount of 99,167 for loan period of around 5 years at 8.45%, the interest comes around 2,032 rupees per month. So this is how you make that rooftop solar calculator. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.